It's scared.
Do you see it?
No. Ma dentro flip.
It could be anywhere.
Is the door open? Ela cuida.
Peter, don't kill it.
Alla versus Jenny. Apparata metora.
It's huge, man. It's fucking big.
No, it's just a wingspan.
Get out of here.
Throw a towel on it.
Ela cuida.
Oh, there it is. Get a towel.
Ela piace.
That one's big. It's not like the one we had upstairs. No,
Is it dead?
Yes.
I don't think it's dead.
Here. It's not dead. Oh!
Peter, pick it up.
Amore, I'm gonna pick it up now. Give me a spatula or something.
It's gonna fly away.
Just cover it with a towel, Suleo.
Give me tongs. Give me the tongs.
Are you gonna put it in the...
Give me the tongs.
Peter, just throw the towel on it and then grab it.
Jenny, I'm not gonna grab it. It's gonna bite me.
No, it won't. Just put the towel on top of it.
Oh, do you hear it? Don't kill it, okay?
He's gonna lose it. You know that, right?
Okay, go. Get out of here.
Did it fly?
Yes.
It flew?
Yes. It flew. It was on the ground. It's not there anymore. We have to parar.